equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The Dyson HD01 may experience issues with its cable, which can lead to power interruptions or complete failure to operate. This problem often arises from wear and tear or damage to the cable itself. If not addressed promptly, it can lead to further complications and potentially render your device unusable. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement cable compatible with the Dyson HD01, and some electrical tape. Begin by ensuring the device is unplugged. Carefully use a screwdriver to remove the screws securing the casing of the Dyson HD01. Once the casing is off, locate the damaged cable, which is typically found near the power entry point. Gently disconnect the cable from its connectors, taking care not to damage any surrounding components. Remove the old cable and replace it with the new one, ensuring it is securely connected. Be mindful of the screw types, use the appropriate screwdriver and apply gentle force to avoid stripping the screws. When reassembling, ensure all cables are tucked away neatly to prevent any future damage. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly check the cable for signs of wear and avoid pulling on it when unplugging the device. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.